Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn some text function which is replace, repeat, write, search, substitute, t, text, trim, unicharacter, unicode, upper and value. So first we will learn the replace function. What replace function does? Replace function will replace a text. Suppose I have here Delhi and I want to make any changes of any word. So in that scenario what I will do, I will just write down the replace function. The old text means that you need to select the old text. Then you have to write down the start number, so I will write down the number 1 because I want to change the word D, and number of characters I want to change 1 characters only, so I put down 1 here, and the new text is A. So instead of D it will replace with the word A. So let's see Delhi has been changed into AELHI. Now we move into the repeat function. What repeat function does? Repeat function will repeat. So here 1 comma, I have put down 1 comma in the box, and I want the comma 3 times. Then what I will do, I will select the text and then I will put down here 3. You can see here, you can write down any text which will repeat 3 times. See here, if you type city, so it will repeat 3 times. What write function does? Write function basically extract the specific word, specific text from the right side of a sentence or of a word. So here I have write down CT tutorial. So if I want to extract A and L from the CT tutorial and from the right side, so I want to extract A and L. So in that scenario what I will do, I will just write the function or write function, and I will select the text and I will put down from how many character I want. So I want only 2 characters because L is 1 and A is 2. So I will put down here 2. If I want 3 characters, in that scenario what I will do, I will put down 3. Now we move into the function of search. What search will do? Search will find a specific word into a sentence. Suppose I want to search the T, so it will give me the place where the T is situated. So equal search, select the so first I have to write down the text. So I have write down T here. Within text means the text from where I want to know that where the T is situated, and the start number I will put down here 1. You can put down as per your choice. So in the second position you will able to find the T is inside in the CT tutorial in the second position. What substitute will do? Substitute will replace a word. I have typed here BT tutorial and I want to make it as a CT tutorial. So what I will do, I will write down substitute just the text I want to change the B into C, so I will type B. Inside the quotation I will write C, and instance number is optional. If I want I can put down, if I don't want I don't need to put. See, it has been changed from BT tutorial to CT tutorial. What T function does? T function basically helps you to find or to check whether the word is in text format or in another format. Suppose the 39 you can see here is in a text format. If I change it in a general format and then I write down 39 and it will Excel automatically identify that this is a number. So in that scenario, if I will type T and I will select value, it will give me a blank. And I will convert it in a text. So it will give me an output of 39 because it will recognize that this is a text. What text function does? Text function will help you. Text function will help you to make any kind of changes or any kind of formatting. Suppose you have a date in a format 11222020 and you want like this Jan 01, 2020. So what you will do? You will just write down text equal to text value, comma, inside this you will write down first space dd, comma, y. Just close the quotation and press enter. See the changes. If you change this, it will automatically convert in a same format. What trim will do? Trim will remove all the space from the starting of the word and from the ending of the word, and except the space between the word only. So if you check in Notepad, you can see that in the starting of the word there is some space. For removing the space, I will use the trim function. I will write down the trim and I will select the text and enter. So let's see how the output looks like. See, the space has been removed by the trim function. Unique character will gives you the unique character of computer. Unique character will gives you the character based on the value. Suppose if I write down here 39, So it will give you the ASCII value of it means apostrophe ASCII value is 39. If I put down here 33, if I put down here 33 and I will write down the function UNICHAR will give me a exclamation mark. In the same thing, if I write down here exclamation mark and I will just write down UNICODE, so it will give you the ASCII value UNICODE, and just select the text, it will give you the numeric value, that is ASCII value. If you change double quote, it means 34. If you put down greater than symbol, it will 62. If you use the first parenthesis, it will give you 40. So like this, you can check the ASCII value of a special character. What upper will do? Upper will make all the character in an alphabet. Upper will makes the word into a caps format. So if I type here, you can see that welcome is written in a small format. So I will write down the upper and I will select the welcome, and it will give you output like this. So T will help you to check whether the value is in text or not. In the same way, value will help you to convert a text into a numeric value. But in Excel, it is not useful, because Excel automatically convert the text into a number. You can see that 39 is in a text format, and if I write down value, it will give me a value output. So thank you.